Ever wondered why your radio sometimes crackles with static? It might be the sun's fault. Solar flares, massive bursts of energy from the sun, can disrupt radio signals on Earth. These flares release electromagnetic radiation that travels through space, reaching our planet and causing unexpected static interruptions. It's like the sun is sending us a cosmic hello. This phenomenon highlights the incredible power of our star and its ability to affect technology millions of miles away. Next time you hear static, think of it as a solar greeting. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more cosmic tales.